Okay, this is brief exercise 2.3, and it's about the difference between an expense versus an asset. And when you think of assets, all right, the definition is that it's an economic resource to benefit the future. All right, so that's what you're looking for. So here's the controller for Nina Group reviewed the following large transactions for the month. It purchased a forklift for $32,000 with an 8-year life, straight line depreciation. They don't mention salvage, so just assume it's zero. Purchase of materials for use in the production of wheelbarrows, the company's primary product, is $114,000. All of it was used this month. All units that were produced were sold. So in other words, there's nothing in inventory. Recognized payroll costs for this month's production office administrative employees of $45,000, 1/3 each, and in investment in mutual funds with excess cash for $65,000. So what dollar amount from these transactions would be recorded as an expense this month? Okay, so there's actually more to this question. What dollar amount would still be listed as an asset? So the first one with the forklift, we would have purchased it for $32,000, and that would be the asset. Okay, the cost would be in there. Depreciation expense would be $32,000 divided by 8 years divided by 12 months, $333.33. Okay, the asset at the end of the month would be the $32,000 minus the accumulated depreciation, or $31,666.67. Okay, so and when you think about depreciation, what that really is an allocation of cost. It doesn't mean that the values necessarily changed. We've just allocated the cost. Okay, and then purchase of materials, everything went out through cost of goods sold, so it's all expensed, $114,000. And payroll by definition is used up. Okay, you get this at the end. You don't get paid in advance, correct? All right. So the expense of production payroll in cost of goods sold, and the other one would be in sales, general, and administrative expenses. And that's a little bit different. Okay, don't forget this is in production of wheelbarrows, and I think they were all sold, so the whole thing is going out through the income statement. So that's $45,000, and then finally they invested $45,000 or $65,000 in mutual funds, so the whole $65,000 would be an asset. Okay.